portrayal of the ancient Sun Temple in the song Bismil. Well, the APMMC has said that the song portrays the Sun Temple as devil's den.
Imagine you are shooting there, and you go to, of all the places, you go to one of the holiest temples of Kashmiri Pandits and go there. Okay, I'm not saying it's a living temple, but this has a history. I don't have time to dwell upon it right now.
Yeah.
But this was broken by an Islamic iconoclast. He has a bad name in Kashmir history. Now you are going there and creating this huge demonic, puppet there. This is distasteful, apart from being, hurtful to, let us say, a section of religious minority
Okay,
who are
Rashnik,
not even there.
Yeah, I'll just get back to you, Rashnik. Can I have Vinod Pandit online, please? Hello, sir.
आज जो ये हैदर पिक्चर बनी है, जिसमें एक मोटे तरीके से मैं कहूँगा, जिसको भारतीय शब्द से शैतान कहते हैं, तो उस शैतान को जिसको डिविल कहते हैं, उसको दर्शाया गया। और जो सन टेम्पल 1800 वर्ष पुराना है, और जिसमें जो शरद जो क्या नाम है, जो भरद्वाज जी है, जो हमेशा कंट्रोवर्सी में रहता है। और आपके संज्ञान के लिए मैं बात बता दूं कि एक फिल्म शूट करने के लिए कश्मीर की यूनिवर्सिटी में उसको एक इंडियन फ्लैग को स्टैंड करना था, और वहां उसके खिलाफ एजिटेशन हुई और भरद्वाज ने उसकी माफी मांगी। लेकिन जो करोड़ों हिंदुओं की आस्था है, कश्मीरी हिंदुओं की आस्था है, वर्ल्ड के हिंदुओं की आस्था इस मंदिर के साथ जुड़ी है, इसकी जो गरिमा है, इसकी जो सेंटिटी है, उसने इस तरह से इसको खराब किया है।
Why Vishal Bhardwaj chose that temple? I guess it may be up to him to explain that.
So you object to that scene?
No, I don't object to that. Everybody has a freedom of expression, and I don't know why he chose it. But as that gentleman was saying, like it's a 1700-year-old temple and all that. Yes, we do have our religious places, and they should be respected. I agree with that, but we should not be so insensitive and so intolerable. No, that somebody, why he's done that. He has the liberty to do that, and he hasn't done anything wrong, in my opinion. He was just narrating a story there. He was talking about his chacha, his dad, his mom, and the relation in between them and all. I guess he did a fair job. I don't have any complaints with him. साहब उसने कोई नाजायज इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है, वो एक कहानी बता रहा था, वो एक पपेट शो था, उसको उसी तरीके से लेना चाहिए। इसमें इतना बड़ा मुद्दा बनाने वाली तो कोई बात ही नहीं है।
It's a very ancient place. You cannot challenge the history of Karakota King.
I'm not challenging the history of the temple, sir. I'm not at all challenging the history of the temple. I'm just saying that a filmmaker has a right to narrate a story in his own way, and he has just did that.
That means you want to go to the temple and you will start the disco dance there. सेंसर बोर्ड का मतलब है कि हर चीज को मॉनिटर करे, मॉनिटर करने के बाद उस फिल्म को रिलीज किया जाता है, क्योंकि किसी भी कम्युनिटी, किसी भी वर्ग को जो उनके सेंटिमेंट्स है, उनके जज्बात है, उसको हर्ट नहीं किया जाए।
I am not the one to say that you should protest, you should boycott, you should ban. Okay, I'm not saying this. I am simply saying this, that shooting this particular song, one, it was unnecessarily there, okay, but he wanted to show this is creative freedom. I have to tell you what to shoot, but to shoot inside a temple which has feelings of people associated with it, he could have shot this anywhere in Kashmir. There are hundreds of such sites in Kashmir which are not religious.